In this video, we'll look at how to open a change ticket using iSupport. To start, open your web browser. Firefox is the recommended browser, and go to isupport.sgsu.edu/rep. Your iSupport dashboard will display. Begin by clicking the light bulb icon in the lower left-hand corner and select Create Change. Now you'll get a new window. Select your customer by clicking the magnifying glass. You can type the name, phone number, email address, or even the SGSU ID. If no matches are found, you may need to create this customer. You can do this by opening the advanced search and selecting Create New Customer. Here you can enter all the information that you have for this customer and click OK to add. Next, choose your status. If you are intending to close this ticket right away, go ahead and set that status to implemented. Otherwise, you can leave it as either new or assigned. Next, choose your assignee. Type in the name, or you can select from the list. At this point, you can enter a comment for the person you're assigning the ticket to. If the person to whom you're assigning the ticket is in more than one group, you'll be asked to select the group before you can assign the ticket. You can choose your impact. Impact is the number of people this issue is affecting. Low would be very few people, medium is the default, and high would be a large number of people. Your urgency is how quickly this ticket needs to be resolved. Choose high if this is a high priority issue that needs to be resolved right away, or if the customer has been waiting for a long time. Your priority will update automatically based on a combination of your impact and urgency. Do not change the priority of the ticket. Next, select your category. You can choose from the list of ITS categories, any other category that's available to you, but if you do not know the category, it's always safe to choose Other and Unlisted. We recommend leaving the change category and risk category the same unless otherwise instructed. Also, for type, most change tickets that you'll be opening will be standard changes. If you're opening a normal change, this will have to be reviewed by management and will require additional justification for putting this change in. Next, enter the reason for the ticket, and then a description. Whenever you're entering a description, more detail is better. Most of the other fields on this page are optional, including your scheduled implementation start and end, the actual implementation, and the review date. If you're closing the ticket at this time because you've resolved it yourself, you can enter the results below. If this ticket has attachments associated with it, you can attach them now by going to the Attachments page, clicking Add, and browsing for your attachment. If you make a mistake, you can delete the attachment here. If other people need to be notified when this ticket is updated, you can add them here by clicking Others to Notify and then Add. If more than one representative will be working on this ticket, you may wish to add other representatives. If more than one person has reported this problem and you wish them all to be notified at once, you can add additional customers as well. On the Associated Work Items tab, you can link this change to an existing incident or problem by clicking the Existing link. This will let you search for other problems or incidents that you could link this issue to. Associated work items are especially important if you're opening a problem ticket. These changes should be linked to the problem so that when the problem is resolved, the changes can be resolved as well. Once you're satisfied with the ticket and the information that you've entered, you can go ahead and click Save and Close. Here you can enter any work history comments that you have, as well as any time that you've spent working on this ticket if you want to track that. Then click OK. The ticket is now saved and assigned. It will close. Both the assignee and the customer will receive a notification in their email of the new ticket.